Hey guys, Brandon here with UTV Stereo. Today let's break down what makes the UTV Stereo Rock Light Kit a must-have upgrade for your ride. This kit delivers bold color, rugged durability, and total control in one clean package. You get 8 fully submersible RGB plus pure white LED pods built to handle the elements. Control your lighting your way either through the downloadable UTV Stereo app or the included wireless remote for instant customization on and off the trails. We've made installation simple and secure with everything you need right in the box. Each kit includes durable stainless steel hardware to resist corrosion for long-lasting strength in any environment. Whether you're mounting it to a roll bar or a flat surface, we've included both grommet options for complete flexibility. Once installed, your vehicle becomes a rolling showcase of color and energy. UTV Stereo Rock Light Kit delivers the full color spectrum from deep, vibrant tones to a crisp, pure white, creating a glow that stands out wherever you ride. But it's not just about looks. When connected to your vehicle's brake system, the LEDs instantly flash a vivid red, signaling when you're slowing down or coming to a stop. It's the perfect combination of style and safety, giving your ride a distinctive edge while keeping you visible from every angle. For those who love their music, our built-in microphone feature takes things to the next level. The microphone is built into the control module and is not reliant on the mic on your phone. This keeps your lights in perfect sync with the beat, turning your favorite songs into vivid shows of rhythm and color. You're also in complete control of your lighting setup. With the UTV Stereo app, you can explore millions of color combinations and fine-tune your lighting with precision. And when you're on the move, the included wireless remote makes it easy to make quick adjustments on the fly. These lights are built to perform with the IP68 waterproof rating. They are engineered for extreme environments. These lights deliver consistent, high output performance through dust, mud, water, and vibration, maintaining reliable illumination mile after mile. If you're ready to take your lighting system further, consider adding the Bluetooth RGB LED controller kit for complete control over your UTV's lighting setup. This controller enables complete LED synchronization across all light zones, including rock lights, speaker LEDs, and LED rings. The system seamlessly links multiple control modules, allowing them to communicate across zones so every light displays the same color, pattern, and effect simultaneously for a fully unified lighting experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow UTV Stereo on Facebook, Instagram to see more of our innovative products built, specifically for your UTV.